The secret to crack CAT is taking a lot of mocks. We at Kraku give all the previous year's CAT, XAT and IFT papers in the actual exam format. Also, if you just Google Kraku free CAT mock, you can find 3 free CAT mocks in the latest exam pattern. You can take them and get detailed analysis.
Hi friends, my name is Maruti and I'm the co-founder of Kraku. In this video, we'll be looking at 3 tips that students should use when they're attempting the LRDI section in CAT. So try to include these 3 tips when you're attempting mocks from now till CAT. Try to fine tune each one of them according to your own specific requirements and try to see if you can consistently improve in your performance in the LRDI section from now till CAT. The first tip is that when you start the LRDI section, take a couple of minutes in actually going through all the 8 different sets. Try to give yourself your priority, try to write down your priority order in which you would want to attempt each of the sets. Every student is different. There are different sets that different students want to attempt. Some of the students feel that some of the sets like say Venn diagrams or arrangements are very easy. So if you see an LRDI set of that type, try to attempt that first. But if you have a priority order in place, even if you spend like the first 1-2 minutes in getting the priority order, it will help you in saving time later on. There will not be any confusion. You know exactly what you should attempt at in what order. And if you are stuck in any set, then you will go to the next set in the priority order. But you will not be confused in the middle as to what to attempt now, or you will not get very flustered. The second thing that you should remember is that if you are going for accuracy, that is very important in LRDA. Even if you get just 3 sets correct out of 8, if you get all of them correct, if you get all the 4 questions in all the 3 sets correct, you will be scoring 36 marks. 36 out of 96 marks is a very good score. So if you actually get 4 out of 8 correct, you are going to get 48, which will ensure that you will get a very high percentile in LRDI section. So don't go for attempting all the 8 sets, or don't be confused. Try to pick the right sets to answer, and to understand what sets to answer, if you spend the first 2 minutes in prioritizing which sets to attempt in what order, it will help you in increasing the accuracy. It will help you in attempting the LRDI section in a very efficient manner. So that is tip number 1. The second tip is with respect to the importance of visually representing the information given in a LRDI set. Most of the information that is given in an LRDI set will be with respect to a particular scenario, but the information will be haphazard. So if you represent it in a visual manner, you will be able to give some sort of a structure to the data that is given. So you will know which block goes where, and you will be able to answer the sets in a more accurate manner. So there are different types of LRDI sets. Each one of them will require you to form a different sort of visual representation. For example, an arrangement set will require you to have a table. A Venn diagram set will require you to have overlapping circles, and you'll have to fill in how much or what number goes into each of the overlapped regions. Similarly, a scheduling problem will require you to have a different type of visual representation. But once you get the visual representation correct, then you are halfway through solving it. Then you know that if you actually fill in the data, for example in an arrangement if you fill in the table, or in a Venn diagrams if you fill in all the areas in the circles, you know that you will be able to answer the set correctly and accurately. So try to ensure that from now on, whenever you are solving LRDI sets, you get the visual representation correct. The third tip is with respect to reiterating through all the points. So whenever you are solving an LRDI set, the first step you do is first go through all the points. Try to identify which are the important points and try to identify which are not the important points. By not the important points, those are the sentences which give you direct information. So for example, in an arrangement set, if it is said that, okay, this guy plays this sport, that is not a very important information because you can easily fill in that data in the table that you have already formed. But there will be some points which will give you a relationship between 2 or 3 different guys. So try to understand which are the points which are useful, which are the points which hold key, and try to come back to that point as and when you feel it is required. So if I am attempting an LRDI set, I'll first go through all the points. I'll note down as much information as possible, whatever information is directly given into the table. Then I'll keep reiterating and I'll keep looking back to the important points which I think still hold some information in helping me solve the table completely. So identifying which are the important points which still hold some juice and which are the points which are completely used up is the third tip for today. Finally, I would like to tell you that if you're looking to start your CAT preparation, we have 3 mocks for free on our website. So you can Google search Kraku free CAT mock to take those 3 free mocks. All of them are in the latest pattern and all of them have very detailed solutions. They're taken by thousands of people, so you'll get a very accurate percentile and it will tell you where you stand in the country. The second thing that I want to tell you is we are giving a free daily target every day. So a daily target contains 5 questions in quant, it contains 1 LRDI set, and it also contains a reading comprehension set. All of them have detailed video solutions. All these tests are free for the first 24 hours. So if you are interested in practicing very good problems, try to log on to our site at 8 o'clock in the morning and try to solve these sets every day. Finally, if you're looking for the previous papers, we have previous papers for CAT, XAT, IFT, MAT, all the MBA exams with detailed solutions on our website. You can check them out in the link given below. So all the best and prepare well for CAT.